Guys, okay, so today's what, day 4, I think. Let's see here, we got here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, it's day 4. And I have been inside of the hotel room the entire time except for breakfast. I don't know how much you're going to be able to tell. But yesterday when we were on the catamaran.
Planta baja, ground floor, abriendo puertas, doors opening.
Okay, yesterday. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yesterday while we were on the catamaran, I got a bed that was directly under the sun, and I had my shirt on. I had a towel covering my face and my shoulders so I wouldn't be scorched, but didn't think about my legs, and my legs are so sunburned and they hurt so bad. So I've been just spending today inside just resting my legs, but I just got a call from Ray and my wedding ring is here and I'm so excited. So I'm going inside right now to meet him to go pick it up, and I can't wait. I hope, yes, I see him. Hey guys, so I got it. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. Here, I'm gonna stop so y'all can see it. Absolutely pretty. I needed some yellow gold in my life. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to show Ray. He has not seen it on me yet because Layla's been playing with her friends. So we've been having to switch off. I picked out the ring, then he went and paid for it. And now I'm picking it up without him, but yeah. Oh man, it looks way too beating hot outside for my poor sunburned body. This is what happens when you live in Germany for years. Your body doesn't know how to acclimate to the sun anymore. Pretty sad. All right, let me switch this around so y'all can see Ray's thoughts. You ready? Are you ready to see it? Come here. Come here.
Wow.
And we're back. So like I said, not too much stuff today. I got my ring. We went to the pool for a little bit. Now we are going to head to the Hard Rock Cafe location in Santa Cruz. So we're at the Hard Rock Hotel. We're gonna go to the Hard Rock Cafe. The Hard Rock Cafe is still closed, but it is a very cool building. So we're gonna go down there so we can take some pictures, and we're probably gonna go eat down there somewhere around there. And yeah, enjoy it. All right guys, we're here. We made it to the Hard Rock Cafe in Tenerife. It is pretty massive, very cool. We've got statues. I mean, it's just a really cool spot. It's a bummer that we can't go in, but at least we got to say we've been. And their food is usually the same. The only other bummer is that the rock shop is closed, so we can't get any souvenirs, but it does open up here in July, so that's cool. I haven't seen any. Oh, let's check out the menu. I'm gonna see if there's anything different, because normally the menu is always the same. Let's see here. Yep, nope, everything's the same. So it's not like we're missing out on the food. We just wish we could have like a pin and some merchandise that says Hard Rock Cafe Tenerife, because the merchandise is different than the merchandise at the hotel, because the hotel will say Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife. So here it says Hard Rock Cafe Tenerife. It'll say Hard Rock Hotel at where we went shopping, and we would like one that says cafe. So, but we're gonna see if somebody will be able to hook us up, if there's any way they're gonna be able to get us any pins. They definitely have some different shirts than they did. Oh, different hats too. That's cool. Well, anyways, it is what it is now. we are going to park the car and we're gonna get some food, go into a few souvenir stores. So yeah, enjoy. So Laila's pizza, we always order her stuff first, but it's cute. It has like little bunny ear looking top. What do you think, Laila? Yeah, it's good. So far we like. Canadian potatoes in the sauce. Alright guys, we just got back from dinner. The place we went to was really great. They had dollar beers. All their cocktails were like $3.95. It was amazing. Great tapas. I definitely recommend the tapas over the other plates. But we just got to the hotel and there is some entertainment, so I am going to go ahead and show y'all that now. When the elevator goes up and down, it lights up. It's beautiful at night.